Simplify each of the following powers. Any variables in your final answer should be written with positive exponents. Five raised to the power of minus 2 can be written in the denominator with a positive exponent. Evaluate to get 8 over 25. Now we'll move on to part B. Two raised to the power of minus 3 can be written in the denominator as 2 raised to the power of 3. Evaluate to get 1 over 8a to the power of 4. Now move on to part C. We are dividing powers at the same base, so we can subtract the exponents. This gives us 2a raised to the power of 5. Raise both the 2 and the a to the power of 5. This gives 32a to the 5. Now move on to part D. This is a power raised to a power, so multiply the exponents. The 5's in the exponent cancel out, leaving a to the minus 3. This can be written with a positive exponent as 1 over a cubed. Now we'll move on to part E. A to the power of minus 4 can be written as a to the 4 in the denominator. ab squared, where ab is in brackets, is a squared b squared. A to the power of 4 times a squared is a to the power of 6. We add the exponent since we are multiplying powers at the same base. Now raise everything in the brackets to the power of 3 over 2. In the numerator, 1 to the power of 3 over 2 is still 1. In the denominator, we'll multiply the exponent since we are raising a power to a power. Simplify to get 1 over a to the power of 9, b to the power of 3. Now we'll move on to part F. We can write 5a squared raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 in the denominator by changing the sign of the exponent. Now raise 5a squared to the power of 3 over 2. Simplify to get a denominator of 5 raised to the power of 3 over 2 times a cubed. We are dividing powers at the base of a, so subtract exponents. We can get a common denominator of 2. Subtracting the fractions and the exponent gives minus 5 over 2. Write this with positive exponents to get 1 over 5 to the 3 over 2 times a to the 5 over 2.